Hello guys, in this video I'm showing you how you can fix add post to your story or add video to your story missing or not working. So let's get started, but before getting into the video, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump in the video. So if firstly you have to open your Instagram app and then log in into your account, and here you can see you can to add post to your story, you can simply tap on the send button which is in the bottom left corner of the post, and then here you will get the option in the very top, add reel to your story. And in this case it is reel, so it is saying that add reel to story. If you also tap on this send button of this video, so it is also saying that add reel to your story. But in case if you can't see this option which is add reel to your story, add post to your story, so what you need to do? So one thing you have to know, that you can't add uh, um, ads to your story. So if you go to any of the ads like this, here you can see it in the top, it is saying that a sponsored. So if you tap on the send button of this post, then here you will find that there is no any option which is saying that add this post or video to a story. So in the ads, Instagram had didn't let you to simply add this to your story. So you can't do this in case of ads. But if you are not if you can't see the this option on the photos and video, so firstly what you need to do, you have to come out from your Instagram app, then open the Play Store, and then from here you have to, after opening the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar, and here you have to type for the Instagram. Here you can find the Instagram app, and then in the right side of the Instagram app icon you can see the open button or update button. If you see the open button, then there is no update, and if you find the update option, then there is update. So you can update the Instagram app in that case by tapping on the update button. So the first way is you can simply update the Instagram app, if so that if there is any glitches or errors that are restricting that option, will be disappear. So firstly, this is the way. The second way is you can simply go to your app settings, then scroll down and then tap on the apps. After that, tap on the manage apps, and from here you have to simply find the Instagram app. So search for the Instagram, then open it. After that, tap on the storage button, and here you can find the clear data. Tap on the clear data in the very bottom, then tap on the clear cache, and then tap on the OK. So it will clear all the cache on the Instagram app. So this is how you can do that. And after doing all these things, you can simply reopen your Instagram app, and then when you reopen your Instagram app, so here you can simply add any of the post or video to your story by tapping on the send button. So that's how you can do that. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now see you next time.